In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chat history Zoom. If you've ever missed a message during a meeting or want to quickly catch up on what people have shared, the in-meeting chat panel is exactly where to look. Today, I'll walk you through getting to that chat history for the meeting you're currently in, and I'll share a few tips so you don't miss anything important. First, head to Zoom. You can open the Zoom desktop app or go to the Zoom website in your browser. The key is simply getting into Zoom so you can access a meeting. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that the way you normally do. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can click a meeting link you've been invited to, or start your own meeting if you're the host. You need to actually be inside a live meeting for the chat history to be available, because Zoom's chat panel shows messages that are exchanged during that specific session. Once you're in the meeting, move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and look at the toolbar. This is the control strip that has options like mute, start video, participants, and more. If the toolbar isn't showing, just wiggle your mouse or tap the screen to make it appear. Now click on Chat. It's usually represented by a speech bubble icon labeled Chat. As soon as you click it, a chat panel will open, typically on the right side of the meeting window. That panel is your running log of messages for this meeting. You will see messages from that meeting in chronological order. Anything that's been sent so far, before or after you open the panel, will appear there so you can scroll up to review earlier notes, links, and announcements. You can also see who sent each message and when. If you need to send something yourself, use the message box at the bottom. Depending on the host's settings, there may be a drop-down to choose whether you're sending to everyone or privately to a specific participant. If you don't see the chat button, there are a couple of common reasons. Your Zoom window might be too small, and the chat option could be tucked under a More menu. Expanding or maximizing the window can help reveal it. It's also possible the host has disabled chat for the meeting, in which case you won't be able to open the panel. A quick note on scope. This view shows the chat history for the current meeting only. It doesn't include messages from previous meetings. That's it. Go to Zoom, join, or start your meeting, find the bottom toolbar, click Chat, and review the messages. Follow these steps and you'll always know where to find your meeting's chat history.